Wild Goose. Hello, we're about to leave the Wedge, and coming up the channel is the Wild Goose, which is John Wayne's old boat. I think it's a party boat now, obviously. Wow, that's wild. That's cool. I think that tent thing at the top is definitely an addition. Wow, that was John Wayne's yacht. Huh. Cool. All right, let's go for a ride. All right, let's go back to the pier, get a snack. One over there. It's got different houses to look at. Since we're on the holiday homes tour, the homes that we will never buy. We're on the homes we will never buy tour. Oh, they're turning around. Yeah, they don't go out to sea. Harbor cruise. That is wild to see, though. I've seen it in port or wherever they keep it. Yeah, the Wild Goose. Look at that. Dang. Yeah, can you imagine? It's probably some business. It's probably some business group.
When Amanda got married, they go around, down, and around, and they get married, and then they come all the way out here.
Yeah.
And then you go back.
And then you just keep cruising around for the party.
Yeah.
Wow, there's some beautiful homes here. Wow. There's another alley down here. Yeah, we did. I think that's it. I think it's... Wow, look at that one. Kind of farmhousey. Oh, there's a car coming behind us. We should get over. Oh, I remember this house. It has a climbing wisteria, I think. Oh yeah, we did come this way before. Whoa, look at that monster. Wow, those are big houses. Members only. Only, and then public beach. Yes, there is tsunami evacuation zone. Well, okay. I close this. Oh, route. Hold on, I gotta stop this video. Stop the video. All right. Hey. I'm going to stop this. We are heading down to the pier and I'll connect with you later. Have a great day.